Hi, it's Scott here with Proto 3000. Wanted to talk to you today about digitally milled bite splints. Here we have a flexible bite splint or night guard made out of a material that can be processed on a high precision industrial strength milling machine such as the imes-icore 350i Pro. You'll notice how impressively flexible this is for a milled material. So it's not a PMMA, it's something else that is quite soft, and despite the softness though, we'll mill it nicely without gumming up the mill, which is very important. Something else that is very important is precision and accuracy. So if we fit it to a Polyjet model printed on a Stratasys Dental 3D printer at high precision, we get an absolutely perfect fit on the model. You can see the high degree of clarity as well, which is very impressive, much better than thermoflex, and involves no manual labor. If you have a mill that's equipped with a loader, such as the 350i Pro loader from imes-icore, then you can actually produce 24 of these in one cycle. And the way you do that is to nest 2 per puck, load the 12 positions, and away you go. So this is a really great solution for producing bite splints in high volume. The material's really nice, and we're doing quite well with it. So to learn more, please reach out to me, Scott Corman, Proto 3000. Send me an email, scott@proto3000.com.